Hello, everyone. I'm going to be talking about and sharing with you two mathematical strategies for addition and subtraction. And the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you, one will be regrouping and using base 10 blocks. This is a great way to begin teaching place value, because in doing so, we have to start with students understanding groups of 10. Base 10 blocks are the most useful tools, I should say, for place value activities, because students need to start developing mental math skills in lower grades. That's going to carry over to upper grades. Here are my two strategies. Using base 10 blocks in expanded form by breaking apart each number. They need to know that the number is broken apart into tens and ones. So here's an addition problem. 58 plus 31. Step 1, you want to expand the number. Step 2, add tens. Step 3, add ones, and then continue to solve. 50 plus 8. Notice here that I have expanded the number 58. I want students to recognize that 0 and know that that the base 10 blocks represent the tens place, and that this is what the 0 represents, the tens place, to get them familiar with it, knowing where it goes. I do the same for 31. 30 plus 1 is 31. My answer is 89. Notice I kept the 0 in, and just so students know, this is the 10 place. I'm going to then remove the 0 because the number 8 is not just an 8. It really represents 80. Now, this very same strategy can be used for subtraction as well, so let's do it. 58 minus 31 equals 27. Let's take a look at that. 58 minus 31. The answer is 27. Again, I leave the 0, and once students grasp the concept from this strategy, they will no longer need to keep the 0 in. This is just a scaffolding method to get them used to it until they are independently on their own to work the problem. The next strategy I'm going to share with you is a physical representation of base 10 blocks. We're going to be regrouping with base 10 blocks. Here, the physical demonstration. So what is our problem? 45 plus 28. Each base blocks are 10. That's why they're called base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equivalent to 40. And then we have 5 ones at the bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 28. 10, 20. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice now we're going to add. 5 plus 8 equals 13. We carry the 1. This is the regrouping process. We regroup. Then we say we have just brought our tens over into the tens place. 4 plus 2 equals 6, plus 1, 10 equals 70. 7, which is representative of 70. Now, if you notice over here, it says, draw a circle around blocks that could be regrouped. Hey, you're going to regroup with the numbers that are in, looks like they're in the ones place over here. So those are my two strategies. Using base 10 blocks, expanding numbers, reminding students that the 0 is always present. It represents tens. And again, I think base 10 blocks are very useful tools to teach add and subtraction strategies. I find that students are able to do this and they're more confident until they are able to work these problems on their own. A great scaffolding strategy as well.